How to turn on notifications in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, you'll be able to find different options available. Now, slowly scroll down. So here, there's a section called Notifications. Tap on Notifications. Here, tap on Notifications again. So this is the place where you can turn it on. Here on the bottom, tap on Go to Settings and you can easily enable it. Here on the top, tap on Show Notification. Here you can even customize it as there are different subcategories to it. At last, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.